So term one results are finally out. I could not film a reaction video because I was out of station. I will also be uploading a traveling vlog, but it is definitely gonna take some time because I'm new to editing, and also I do not have some advanced editing software, and my second pre-boards are also approaching, so it's definitely going to take some time. But without wasting further time, let me just quickly tell you my marks. So I'll also analyze my performance. So basically I gave exam for 6 subjects. That was like 3 languages: English, Hindi, Punjabi, and then like 3 major subjects, which is science, maths, and social science. So let me just quickly tell you my marks. Out of these like 6, I have 5 subjects. Hindi is optional. So I'll tell you my marks. In English, I got 40 out of 40. And like this was the most unexpected thing because if I talk about English exam, then definitely creative and grammar, it was easy. Reading was also okay, but literature, it like I still had many doubts in literature. Like many questions were very conflicting, and even the answer keys which were uploaded on internet, they showed different answers for the same questions. So I never expected like 40 out of 40 in English. Like that is like such a blessing that I got 40 out of 40 in English. And in fact, the reading comprehension in our set, it also became a nationwide issue. That basically that passage that talked about the emancipation of wife destroying parents' authority over children. So Sonia Gandhi raised this issue in parliament, and then after that CBSE allotted like full marks for to every child for that passage. But it like did not benefit that much to me because like my only maybe 1 or 2 questions were wrong out of that passage. So like it was not like as beneficial. But yes, I got 40 out of 40 and I'm like so happy about it. So then my second language, which is Punjabi, I got like again 40 out of 40. So this was really expected. Like I knew that I would get 40 out of 40. Punjabi exam was actually very easy and it went really well. Questions were really straightforward, like straight for if I'll talk about grammar, questions were very straightforward. So overall, like Punjabi was easy. So I was pretty sure that I would get 40 out of 40. In science, I got like 40 again, and I'm so happy that I got like 40 out of 40 in science. In fact, I worked really hard for science. Like I solved a lot of MCQs and all of that stuff. Before the exams were approaching, I like solved so many of books and so many of sample papers. Like that's another thing I always used to struggle with: physics and numericals. I thought that like in my science exam, I will get like I lose marks in physics and numericals, but it was really great, and like I got 40 out of 40. It is so amazing. For social science, I got like 36, and this was not shocking at all because I already knew that I would get less marks in social science. So it may have like some reasons. So I consider like two reasons for this. Like I think this was my first board exam of major subjects after Punjabi. I must have got nervous, and I still remember like one question was there, and I like filled option number B, and then I filled the box also, and then suddenly after that I remembered that it was like option number C, but I like felt so helpless because I already filled the box, so I just submitted that sheet, and like I was like literally gonna cry because I just like lost 1 marks very carelessly. And then second reason which I consider is that I did not read the NCRT well. I actually solved a lot of sample papers, but maybe I was lacking in knowledge, so that is why maybe I lost like so many marks in social science. In maths, I got 40 out of 40, and it is pretty easy. So I like don't have to say anything, but I think I did not work that hard for maths, but still I got 40 out of 40. So I'm happy about it. Like I did not like practice a lot of sums like before maths examination, but still I got full, so I'm happy about it. And then in Hindi I got really less marks because like I got like 34, and like Hindi is optional for me, so I did not like put that much effort into Hindi. Its marks will not add into the total percentage of class 10, so I just took it like very lightly. So like I got like 196 out of 200, total of 196 out of 200, and the total percentage is 98%. Like it's pretty satisfying. Like it is like too much for me. After all of my exams, I was like expecting 93 to 94 percentage. Like after all my exams were over, I just like had an idea about how much marks will I get in each subject. So I calculated like 94 to 90, like 3 percentage, but that was too much. But yeah, now I actually need to work hard for term two, which I think I'm not doing at all. So yes. And if you are a class 10th grader like me, then don't forget to tell me your marks in the comments. And if you get less marks, then don't lose your heart. You'll definitely perform good or maybe better in term two.